guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if this is your first visit. Again, I'm today with a DIY, and in this case it's an Easter DIY that I promised you in a previous video. And this is really quick. I show you in the previous video that I made a ladder with pieces of Jenga, and I show you that I was using these large Jenga pieces that are from Family Dollar, not from Dollar Tree. You can buy them in a box. They come $49, and I had enough to make that ladder. And I will leave the link to that video in the description box. And it's a farmhouse ladder. And with the remaining pieces, I have enough to make this shadowbox tray, whatever, because you can use it as you want. And I have even 3 pieces left. So after I glued all the pieces, you know, you have 6 on this side, 6 on this side, sorry, and this side and this side you have 4 on each one. I used the back of a frame from Dollar Tree to make the bottom of the tray slash shadow box. And in this case I'm going to use it as a shadow box. So as I want to repurpose it and probably use it as a tray later, I'm not going to adhere the back to the bottom. So using a piece of cardstock that I have around, I use these jumbo sticks that are from Walmart. I cut them to size. I had to cut one of them in half for them to fit here, and I glued them to this piece of cardstock. This allows me to remove the bottom if someday I want to use it for another purpose, change the color, whatever. So once I have all the sticks glued to the bottom, to the background, sorry, to the cardstock paper, sorry, I stain them with our beloved liquid shoe polish. I purposely stained some of them in different shades of brown, pressing more for a darker color and less for a lighter color to make it look better, you know. It looks more like a real wood background. Once I have this dry, I simply place it here, and then I'm going to add some other items. I need my glue. Bear with me. Here it is. I'm going to add this bunny. Oops. Okay, let's place this here. This bunny is from Dollar Tree. It's one of those that comes with other decorations like butterflies or little chicken. So I removed this bunny from there. This is the right side. It was all in glitter and different colors. But I used the back side. I painted it white. I added this pom-pom and the ribbon, and I painted the eye. And with one of the remaining Jenga pieces, I made this kind of support, because I want this not to be, the bunny not to be glued to the bottom. I wanted it to have some 3D effect. So I'm going to add the bunny. I think I should use E6000 So let me look for the 6000. Okay, I promise next time I will have everything here in hand. Okay, so let's spread it, and I'm going to add it here. Press a little bit. Of course, later I'm going to add some weight off camera. Then I'm going to add this banner. I printed this out with my computer. The tip of the glue of the bottle is a little bit clogged, so I'm going to use my fingers to add the glue to the banner. Just some dots of glue. You don't need much. I'm going to add it here, like so. Okay. And the last thing I'm going to add are these eggs. I bought them on eBay. They are originally in this color, you know, like the real chicken or hen's eggs, and I painted them. I tried and tried and tried all the ways I could find to do the speckles on YouTube. I don't know. I can't do that, so I just painted the speckles. They don't look really good, but it's okay. It's absolutely okay. I'm fine. So let me see. I think this is, yeah. So again, I'm going to use E6000. And as I can remove the background, if I want to use this as a tray later, there is no problem. I'll just remove everything, and it's okay. Okay. I'm looking for a better looking side, but there is no looking better side. But well, it's handmade. Doesn't have to be perfect, as I always say. Okay, let me see. Okay. I can't find the side that I like. Okay. Now this is finished. It's a matter of waiting for the glue to dry. And this is the final piece. Really, really easy, as I like quick and easy to make, and I really like it, and I hope you like it too. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram if you want, And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.